We, the Lepchas, are the original inhabitants of Sikkim. The first Lepcha man and the first Lepcha woman was created, and they were called Fudong Thing and Nuzong Nyu. These two were created by the Mother Nature from the pure snow of the Kanchenjunga, and they were set in Zongo after the creations. Rongyong River in itself is so sacred for us. The meaning of Rongyong is Rong meaning Lepchas. So within Lepchas we address ourselves as Rong, and Gyong means prayer. So this the Rongyong means we pray this river, we worship this river. We don't have concept of hell and heaven. What we believe is that when somebody dies, our soul will have to reach the sacred caves which we believe are beneath the Kanchenjunga. So each clan will have their own sacred caves. At that time, Rongyong will be the path to the caves.
We started our organization in 2008 to oppose the or protest the development of Panung Hydro Project and Tista 3 Hydro Project.
In such a tiny Himalayan states, build one big dam and see whether it's really feasible or not, whether it's really profitable or not. And maybe after a few years, maybe come up with another dam. But that's not the government and the corporates are doing. It's the series of dam they have planned. We are going to be the highest dam density place in the world.
Government cannot do anything. Government is completely influenced by the project developers.
It completely changed the ecology of the region because you are diverting the natural course of the river inside the mountain, and it has a bigger repercussions, and it obviously trigger more landslides, which was evident, which we have seen during the 2011 earthquake. All the landslides, all the casualties, all the loss of properties and damages were all happened wherever there were dam constructions. So it was one of the, what you could say, evidence of what a dam can do to the ecology. To me personally, I think rivers are like vein inside our body where blood runs. So if you cut your vein, then you bleed and you will die. In the same way, for planet, for earth, rivers are life. It runs through everywhere. Wherever river flows, it fits the whole ecology of that region. And when we go up, if you look down from the plain itself, wherever there are rivers, you will see the healthy forest and healthy ecology.
Ung arire mvieka ananga lo sugor arire macap kalong arire ko yung lokali na ko yun na gyop mat na rongam berten na atedo gam la sotujisi.
We really need to define development. Development is good and bad. Of the time that we are living in this planet, I think this whole hue and cry of global warming and climate change, which is such a big thing now, I think now any kind of development, I think we really need to do think from the perspective of sustainability.
We have come back from cities and we have started doing farming. Whatever which was done earlier by our forefathers, those are all organic.
Only thing is now we are beginning to expand our production a little bit more. We are more into the village tourism. Over the years now, it's started flourishing now. You know, the people have started coming.
See, this is what we want the government to do, rather than taking our land from us and giving it to company. But we want to keep it and make best use of it, you know.
My message to the outside world, or so-called to the urban world, urban folks, will be to really travel and try to understand the comforts and the luxury that you all are enjoying back there in your part of the world, and just try to understand from where those comforts are coming, to bring down the consumptions, the insane consumptions that we are doing, you know, which is actually making the corporates go for, you know, extreme ends of extracting the natural resources in the far-flung areas.
जोंगू सबसे एग्जाम्पल इस क्या बोलते हैं हाट, जोंगू सबसे हाट में सब दगदी हो गया तो सब ख़त्म हो गया ना, इसलिए जोंगू अच्छा रखना पड़ेगा। जोंगू अच्छा नहीं होने से सिक्किम सब जाता है, सिक्किम नहीं है सब होले जाता है।
We started because we love our land, our people, and when once you are fighting against them, like it's also about, like, we are also really concerned about environment. So it's not only us which will harm; it will harm the entire nations of the world.
This is a lifelong movement. Is concerned with the Tisha River. As long as there is Tisha River and someone comes to disturb the river, there will be protest, opposition. We have set the movement.